Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if I've already mentioned or not that today I'm going to be showing you how I do my mini twists, and the products that I'm going to be using are, of course, water. And in my water bottle I have oil, and the oil that I've put in there is the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Oil. And I'm also going to be using Shea Moisture's curl enhancing smoothie as well. And one more thing that I done, y'all, sorry, I dropped it. And I'm gonna use this on the very ends of my hair, the Eco Style Gel. Okay, so I'm not gonna record me doing my whole head because I'm gonna start in the front, because it's pretty much, I always say this, but it's pretty much repetitive. Now I'm starting on clean, freshly clean. When I say clean, I mean shampooed and conditioned hair. I just washed my hair. I did not want to, but I did. So yeah, I'm gonna just start by sectioning off my hair like so. And guys, the rest of this video will be a voiceover. Yep, so like I was saying, I'm just parting my hair and sectioning it off with these mini banana clips. I'm just parting with my fingers, guys, no comb or nothing. I'm going to begin by just wetting my hair with my water mixture. Prepping because I'm first starting off with my Suave leave-in. And I'm just going to start off by putting it through my hair. And I'm going to add the Shea Moisture as I go. Make it to the ends, I'm just going to add my gel. And guys, that is how I did the entire front section of my head. I also placed a clip at the end for added weight so that my twists wouldn't shrink all the way up. Also in the back, I did not use the Shea Moisture, and I put the gel all the way through my hair, which is probably what I should have done in the front, because the front got frizzier, I would say, way faster. And I think it's because it didn't have that extra hold. This is what I have so far. And this is what I have left to do in the back. So I'm going to get this done off camera. And I'll put in this. And if you have made it this far, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, because girl, this is a process. And if you are doing this, I want to I don't know, I just want to pat you on your back, because this is a process for real. You know what? I'm gonna keep it all the way real with y'all. This took me about 3 days to do. I did not finish all in one day. But yeah, guys, these were my end results, and I was really pleased. Like I said, make sure you put a holding gel all through your hair so the frizz will be to a minimum, because mine was not. It didn't last as long as I know it could have. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit that big red button. Until next time, bye.